video, we're gonna start working with the blog section. So you can see we're in the blog and it's printing the Oktoberfest in Germany, this 2016. It's printing the latest entry that you will find in the blog, and that's not fine. I'm gonna open the Atom and I'm gonna explain something here. You can see here we have is front page, then print the description, else you print the title, and somehow it's printing the title of the latest entry. Of course you can create another else if and create another conditional. The problem that I have with that is that we are gonna continue adding more and more and more if conditionals, and that's not good. So we're gonna create a different header. So I'm gonna select everything, right click, new file, header blog.php, paste everything, and I'm gonna remove these two lines. And we're gonna add the following code, and I'm gonna remove this also, this. We don't need any if right here, so I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna let this HTML code. First I'm gonna create a PHP blog, and I'm gonna add a blog page equals to, and I'm gonna add a get option, and the get option is gonna look for the page for post. So once we get the page for the post, is gonna be assigned into this variable. So you can add something like title equals to get the title, and get the title needs a parameter the page, and we're grabbing the page with this variable. So I'm gonna pass right here, and now we have the title. So I'm gonna echo the title right here. So you can close the PHP blog right here and indent this a little. Finally, let's open the index.php, and here I'm gonna add inside quote blog. So that's, we look for the header dash blog.php. So I'm gonna reload this, and now you can see we have blog. So I'm gonna edit the page, and you can see it is printing the name blog, but it's not printing the feature image that we're looking for. So let's see how you can print that. And I'm gonna open again the Atom, and I'm gonna open the header blog, scroll to the top, and here we have the function that will print the feature image. And I'm gonna add a PHP blog right here. Again, we are looking for the page blog equals to get option again, and we're looking for the page for post. Then we need to add an ID image. Then we pass get post thumbnail ID, and here you pass the name of the page. We're almost there. We only need to pass, and I'm gonna remove this. We need to make some changes here. Instead of having the get the post thumbnail ID, I'm gonna pass the ID that I have right here. And now you can save this and reload. And now you can see we have the page right here. So everything is working fine, and I'm gonna open the index.php, and you can see the design is the same for the blog. So you can copy from the front page, and I'm gonna copy almost everything. Copy this from the div with the class row, and I'm gonna open the index.php, and I'm gonna paste right here. I'm gonna remove this since we don't need that part. Also, I'm gonna remove this. We don't need that. We don't need this variable, so I'm gonna remove that. And we don't need the WP reset post data. So you can save this and reload. You can see that we have all the post entries. That's because WordPress will handle them automatically. You don't have to worry for anything. Because if I click here, you can see it says you are currently editing the page that shows your latest post. And WordPress knows that and filters all the posts into this section. So with that, we finish the blog. In the next video, let's start working with this contact form.